How good public policy is lifting up our state. The average person in Mississippi is 25% richer today than they were in 2017. In just 5 years, the per capita income in our state went from $36,902 to $46,248. For as long as anyone can remember, Mississippi has been at the bottom of the class, with the lowest income and the slowest growth. From much of the period from 1980 to 2010, Mississippi was a one-party democratic system. The size of government grew. More and more people were hired to work at public expense, crowding out the private sector. With too much government and too many people living at public expense, taxes rose relative to those in other states. More bureaucrats meant more bureaucracy. With Mississippi not prospering, it turned to Washington for help. Politics in the state focused on how to secure handouts from the feds. If grants from the federal government made a state rich, Mississippi would be the richest state in America. But federal grants don't, and Mississippi stayed in the economic slow lane. The real news is that after decades of these bad public policies, Mississippi is starting to grow rapidly again. Why? Because bad public policy is being replaced by good public policy. In the past few years, Mississippi has significantly cut the tax burden, notably slashing the state income tax to a flat 4%. Since 2018, the size of the public payroll has been significantly reduced. In 2021, there was an important move made to deregulate the labor market with a universal occupational licensing law. This has put pressure on licensing boards to remove unnecessary red tape. As a direct consequence of this, not only is per capita income in our state rising, but we are growing faster relative to other states. Just imagine what our state might achieve if we were to build on these public policy improvements. What if we were to completely eliminate the income tax? What if we repealed some of the so-called certificate of need laws that inflate the cost of health care in our state? What if we gave parents the right to choose where their kids went to school, creating a competitive environment for education? Mississippi needs leaders prepared to build on the impressive reforms of the past few years, and which are already having a significant impact in improving our state. We need leaders who believe that with good public policy, Mississippi can be the equal of any state. It is good public policy, not federal handouts, that will decide if we prosper.